now that you have installed the application, next thing to do is install a license. The license is not required for the first part of this tutorial, so you can continue without one to know basics about 640.99 and how to use NxtStudio application to develop 640.99 applications. You will only need the license when you want to deploy your project and run it on an actual hardware. In the first part of the tutorial, you will be only using soft runtime. It's a runtime that runs on the PC on which this application runs, and you don't need license for that. But later on, when you want to deploy the applications to the hardware, in our case, we will be using ice block hardware, you will need a license for the application. There are two ways to launch the license manager. First way is to go to help and then click on license manager. You get this license manager application, and the other option is to directly open the license manager application from Windows. Okay, now there are various ways you can get a license. If you have got this installation from us, then you would have received a .slic file that you can use to install a license. The other option is to get the license directly from NextControl, who is developer of this application. Since this option of dongle locked or node locked is not applicable in our case, we will go to the second tab, which is install license files. And here you can click on install license file. Go to the folder where your license is present. In my case, it's present here. And here is the .slic file. Click on it. And you now it says that NxtStudio license is successfully installed. Click OK and exit. You will have to relaunch NxtStudio for the license to work. So let's do that. We open, and you will see that you don't see the demo that you used to see before. So that means now your license is installed, and now you will be able to deploy your projects to an actual hardware. Note that this license that you just installed will only let you deploy your solutions and programs to ice block hardware and no other hardware.